Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lovable Tiffany here with another video for you guys. So, y'all, sad news. YouTube did take away my monetization, and that really hurt me. Like, I really was hurt, y'all. I know it's because I was inactive a lot, because of, you know, the anxiety and a little bit of depression, I would say, that I was going through. I wasn't posting a lot and everything, and that was my own fault. So, hey, it is what it is. So, if y'all can help me get back up to my views, I can, what is it called? Reapply again. And I just need watch hours. So it's just my hours, which is my views from people viewing my videos. So if y'all could like share my videos to y'all social media or wherever you want to share with a friend, a family member, somebody. I just need watch hours. I have everything else. It's just that because my watch hours went down, that's what went down, and that's what took me out of the program. So I don't have that many watch hours to get up to, so that's still a good thing. So I'm gonna try to get back into making more videos for you guys. So I know in my last video that I posted, I was talking about how I didn't want to lose it because I worked so hard for it, and then I felt like right after that video, I haven't uploaded it yet, but y'all will see what I'm talking about because I'm gonna upload that one first before I upload this one. Hopefully you see that one first before you see this one, but I don't know, you know how the algorithm is, but you'll hear me talking about it. And so like after finishing that video and I went through to look at some of my other videos, and my analytics that's when it showed me, because I noticed that none of my bubbles were green. They just looked regular. So that's what alerted me to digging in and seeing, and I found out that they had pulled me from the program. So like I said, it took me so long, y'all, and I'm so hurt because some people just blow up overnight. Some people, it just happened just like that. They make some videos and everybody started liking them, man. I guess I'm not that person, but oh well, it took me some time. So hopefully I can get back up to where I want to be at again, and then I'll be able to continue my videos. But so to jump right into the video, I have this wig. It's a lace wig, Wet and Wavy. It's not the full like lace, which I like. It's but the hair is nice and the texture feels really good. It's a human hair wig, but it's actually a side part, but you know you can move it to make it a center part. And then it has like the lace right here, so it's like lace here and you know in the middle, so it'll be like, that's how the lace is, the part, and then it comes out to the front, but it doesn't really give you a lot of room in it. And I didn't get it offline. I actually got it from a beauty supply store in Richmond. It's called Beautiful. They're really popular. They have a lot of wigs for cheap prices. It's very beautiful in there. It's very nice, and it's very big. It was an hour away from me, so yeah, I had to go there and get it. I've been there before, but I went back again. But anyway, so this wig was 50% off, and it was $199. So with the 50% off, it came to like one something plus tax. And so Wet and Wavy is bohemian, and the curl looks really pretty. It's straight or you know wavy. In the let's see, I got it in natural black. Even though I don't like black, y'all know I normally get like a number 2. But the brown that they had, natural brown, I didn't like it against my skin. I don't know, I didn't. So yeah, but it says it's 12/8 unprocessed. And it's a 22-inch. And so let me just open it up real quick to show y'all. Oh, it doesn't show the T part, what I'm talking about. It doesn't show. It just shows that it's like HD lace or so, if y'all can see that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get right into the video. So this is it. So get out of the box. And it says it's 22 inches. It looked like 20 to me, but I could be wrong. And I'm short anyway, so. But it has the 2 combs right here and a comb at the nape, as well as the adjustable straps. And here's what I'm talking about, where the parting looks like, and then the lace on the side. Now, I was a bit irritated, y'all, because I feel like you could see some of the wefts at the front. It don't look like, it says HD lace, but it just, I don't know if I can zoom in so y'all can see. I don't know, but some of the wefts like behind this, it was like literally right there. See where it cuts off? That irritated me. I didn't like that, but that's okay because it is what it is. At least it's human. So I'm gonna take it and set it on my head the way it's supposed to be parted, which side, and I'm gonna stick that comb right up in my hair, y'all. Okay, so it's supposed to see the part, and y'all, why do I hate parts like this? I literally hate parts that be coming curved like that. Like, I don't know why you want your part, like, who part their hair like that? I don't part my hair like that. I would do a straight part. Like, I don't know why you got the, it just look wiggy to me. That's like annoying as heck to me. I swear it's annoying. But okay, it is what it is. Like, okay, y'all, so okay, so I didn't do no video of me like showing y'all step by step because I've done it so many times. So yeah, I'm just taking
some lip liner real quick. Oh Lord, outline my lip. That's too fire. Anyway, yeah, I don't really like to overdraw my lips, so I don't do that. But I'm not knocking people who do that, but I don't like to do it. Yeah, so this is how the hair is looking, y'all. And I'm just trying to always do line like this. I don't know what purpose it serves y'all, but I just do it like that. It's just me. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna put like some minor. Anyway, y'all know what I'm trying to say. I feel like I can't talk, but so this is how the hair looks. I didn't put, of course, you know, I told you about this part being
to the side like that. It irritates me, but oh well. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And like I said, I didn't glue none of it down. I just set it up there because the part is supposed to be over here. So it's like higher up. See, this is where the lace stops at because the lace is supposed to stop at my ear. So, but I just, you know, disguised it because I didn't want a side part right now. So I just did the middle part. And the hair is very, very soft, y'all. I like it. I'm going to wet it now. And what I'm going to wet it with is, this lash look a little bit off, but okay. What I'm going to wet it with is some Lotta Body. Show y'all. Like I said, it's supposed to be bohemian curl. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it like that. And I'm just going to take it and run my fingers through it. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking on the side. And y'all, I cannot find my spray bottle, so I gotta kind of like fluff it and scrunch it. And I don't have a diffuser, so I gotta get one of those because I know they come in handy. So And this is the length with it curled. And this is the length with it not curled. So it's just a little bit more. What does it look like? Maybe it's probably 14-inch curled or so, like that. But the 12 will be right here, I think. 14, maybe 16 or so. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish that and then I'll come back for you guys. I think you gotta use the bathroom. So yes, one of them. So this is how it's looking, y'all. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. It's not really full, but it's still pretty. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I ain't, you know, got a lot. So what y'all think of this wig? Like I said, I wish it was a whole lace or 13 by 6 or so, but you know, that's even more coins that you gotta spit out. And so I just got this one. I was like, he was like, get what you want. Get the wig you want, all right? I go to that $300 wig. He was like, that's the one you want? Well, you told me to get what I wanted. But nah, I be a little cheap too. So I went down. I was like, that's too much money for a wig. So I was like, I'm gonna go down a little bit. And luckily I found this one. Like I said, it was 50% off of $199. So we paid $1 something. So I felt like that was good. I don't know why this would be $199 anyway, even though it's human hair. But first of all, it's not a full lace. It's a part. So, but anyway, so that's it, y'all. Thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And please share your girl video so I can get my hours back up, so I can be accepted back into the program. Please, because your girl was hurt. Like I said, I was hurt. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.